Are your concrete floors collecting dust? I'm Mitch with Stone Coat, and in the next 4 minutes, you're going to learn everything you need to know to lay a pro-level flake floor without hiring one. Now let's test, prep, prime, flake, and shine it right on up. No contractor is required. Now let's get to work. All right, step 1, moisture test. Under 5% and we're golden for our DIY Moisture Seal Epoxy Primer. Over 5, you're gonna hit pause, fix the drainage, then come on back. Check your concrete hardness. That's next. Hard slab gets a soft bond diamond head and a soft slab gets a hard bond head. Wrong wheel equals sad grinder and sore arms. Choose wisely. Use the universal Mohs hardness test. That's what everybody uses. I'm going to link all the tools I use and recommend in the description of this video. Spider cracks smaller than a playing card, you can go ahead and ignore them. They disappear under the flakes. Bigger cracks, open them with a crack chaser blade, vac on, PPE on. All right, clean up that dust and it's time to fill the cracks. We're going to mix the Floor Patch Pro in 24-ounce bites. 12 ounces of A, 12 ounces of B, and then we're going to eyeball 12 ounces of thickener into our Part B side. Thoroughly mix the thickener into the B side before adding in Part A. Stir it hard for 30 seconds after adding in Part A, ribbon it in the cracks, knife it tight, and then you can grind or sand it smooth in 20 minutes. That's pretty fast. Blink and you're ready for the next step, but be sure to mix in small batches. If you go ahead and full send that whole kit, you're gonna have one chance to fill your cracks and then you're gonna have a lot of that setting up in your bucket. Get it out of that bucket as quick as possible, pull it tight, and then you're ready for the next step. And that step, it's almost time to open up those concrete pores. This isn't just a suggestion, it's the foundation for everything else you're gonna be doing. You gotta get those pores open, create a profile for epoxy, because that's where the magic of bonding happens. Skip this step, and you're just asking for headaches down the road. Now, for those smaller, more manageable areas, you can't beat that 4.5-inch hand grinder with a diamond cup wheel. This thing is a precision tool, letting you meticulously get in there, abrade the surface, and knock it out pretty quickly. Work it systematically, smooth passes, keep it even. You don't want to overgrind in just one spot. Seriously, folks, dust and noise are no joke here. Respirator, safety glasses, hearing protection, wear that PPE. Got a monster slab? Skip the tiny tools. Rent a pro concrete grinder and matching vac. Sunbelt Rentals has got you. Match your Mohs reading with the right diamond head. They're going to take good care of you. If sticking with a hand grinder, then you need to lock in your dust control. Hook your grinder up to your 6 to 6.5 horsepower shop vac equipped with a pre-filter bag. Then the pro tip here, add a mullet cyclone separator. The cyclone does the heavy lifting, trapping most dust before it even hits the vac filter. So you grind non-stop, filter stays clean, and cleanup's a breeze. Trust me, once you go cyclone, you ain't ever going back. Vac the floor spotless, then mix Stone Coat's Moisture Seal Epoxy Primer. Soft concrete drinks about 1.25 ounces per square foot. Hard concrete sips about 1 ounce. Pour a ribbon, squeegee it tight to the wall, and let that puddle creep up for a perfect cut line. Back roll with your 3/8-inch nap roller and kill every puddle. Puddles are gonna swallow that flake and leave nasty looking bald spots. While our primer's still wet, we're gonna start the snowstorm and feed them chickens. Don't dump piles of the flake, loft up the flake so it flutters down like confetti. The floor should look dusty, dry, not shiny. Add more flake to any shiny areas before you leave. Let this material cure for 7 to 9 hours. Then we're gonna scrape off any loose flakes and vacuum like you mean it. No flake left behind. That initial pile, that's pure bonus material for your next floor. Box it right back up. Big news, Stone Coat now stocks over 100 killer flake blends in 10, 20, and 40 pound sizes. Once upon a time, we only had 5 blends. I don't even know who does that. Next up in Stone Coat's DIY flake flooring system, we're gonna mix up our high gloss polyaspartic. It's a 2-to-1 material. 1 to 1.25 ounces per square foot is what we're looking for. Thinner is the winner. Thick coats get cloudy. You're gonna use your magic trowel or your hard floor scraper to spread it nice and tight, then back roll. Swap out rollers if they load up. Outdoor space, you're gonna do 2 thin coats, no excuses. Mix in the non-skid if desired. Your steers and your wet boots, they're gonna thank you. Don't let that DIY brand fool you. Our homeowner line delivers the same pro-grade durability and UV resistance you'd expect from our commercial grade kits, with extra working time so you nail it the first try. Think of it as your safety net. More open time for perfect coverage, fewer panic pours, zero guesswork. Once you've run through the moisture check, grinding, patching, priming, flaking, scraping, and sealing, your floor is locked in for the long haul. Cleanup, a breeze. Just sweep or vacuum weekly, and if you ever need a deep scrub, a mild detergent and a soft bristle brush takes quick care of those dirty floors. No harsh chemicals, no repainting, just rinse and you're back in business. Got spills, oil, mud, hoof prints, they wipe right up. Even rust. And yes, perfect for champion steer arenas or your home garage, even your workspace. These same specs stand up to the 2,000-pound bovines, also hold up to your daily family traffic. Bikes, Harleys, even your rolling carts and tools. So there you have it. Professional results, foolproof installation, and a floor that's as tough as your toughest customers. Now, help us grow. Hit that subscribe button. Snag your Stone Coat kit at stonecoatcountertops.com and let's make your next floor pour legendary. Until next time, keep it solid, keep it simple, and go Stone Coat. You got this. We'll see you on down the trail, misters.